Do you ever get stuck solving multi-step linear equations, especially when fractions are involved like this? In this lesson, I'll show you a helpful shortcut in how to solve them step by step. In here, I will show you 3 examples. Let's get started. The first one is 3 over 4, 7x plus 3 minus 5x equals 1 over 4, 2x minus 9. So when you see this kind of problem here, what you do, first step is you distribute this in. You distribute in. So now 3 times 7 is 21 over 4x. 3 times 3 is plus 9 over 4 minus 5x equals 1 times 2, 2 over 4x minus 1 times 9 is 9 over 4. Now, if I continue to solve, let's look a bit messy, right? Because there are a lot of fractions. So our trick is we want to get rid of fraction. And how do I do it? Well, you multiply everything by 4. You multiply this in, multiply each term by 4. Okay? Now, we take 4 times 21 over 4. But 4 and 4 we cancel out because 4 divided 4 is 1, right? So we cancel this one out. Is 21x. The same here, 4 and 4 is equal to 1, so cancel that one out. So plus 9. And 4 times negative 5x is negative 20x. Equals, same here, 4 times 2 divided by 4, but 4 and 4 you cancel out, which is 1, so 2 divided 1 is 2, right? So we have 2x here minus the same is 9. So now this is look much easier to solve, right? So we continue, combine like terms. This and this one. So 21x minus 20x is x plus 9 equals 2x minus 9. Now you subtract x to both sides and then you add 9 to both sides as well. So you can do 2 steps at the same time. Cancel this, cancel this. 9 plus 9 is 18. So 2x minus x is 1x. So that's the answer. Always check your answer. Okay, so check to make sure that the answer is correct. What you do is 3 over 4. 7 times x now is 18 plus 3 minus 5 times 18 equals to 1 over 4. 2 times 18. Where you see x, you substitute 18 in minus 9. If you put everything on this side in calculator, you will have 6.75. The same, if you do the same thing on this side, put in calculator, it will give you 6.75. Now you confirm that your answer is correct. Well, I hope you enjoyed the example 1. It's fun, right? Let's do example 2 here. 7 plus 3x minus 8 over 2 equals to 9. And we want to solve for x, right? So the first step is you want to make it simple as much as you can. So subtract 7 to both sides here. This cancel out. So you bring this down, 3x minus 8 over 2 equals to 9 minus 7 is 2. Again, every time you see fraction like this, you can multiply by the denominator here to get rid of the fraction. So you multiply by 2. You multiply in. Okay? Now, 2 and 2 here. You cancel this one out. So you have 3x minus 8 equals to 2 times 2 is 4. Now we want to solve for x plus 8 to both sides. 3x equals to 4 plus 8 is 12. Divide 3 from both sides. So x equals to 4. So always check your answer to make sure it's correct. Check. So 7 plus, use the original equation, 3 times 4 minus 8 over 2 equals to 9. So now put everything in calculator. On this side, you will have 9 equals 9. So now you confirm that this is correct. Let's look at our last example here. 2 times 10x minus 5 minus 6x plus 1 equals negative 8. So in this case, we have to solve for x. So when you see the parentheses, we will use distribution. We'll take 2, multiply in. Okay? So 2 times 10x is 20x. 2 times 5 is minus 10. 6x plus 1 equals negative 8. Again, we will simplify and combine like terms at the same time. 20x and that, and then negative 10 and positive 1. 20x minus 6x is 14x. Negative 10 plus 1 is minus 9 equals to negative 8. We will add 9 to both sides. So this cancel out. Bring 14x down equals to negative 8 plus 9 is 1. So divide 14 from both sides. 14 divide 14 is 1. 1 times x is x. So the answer is x equals to 1 over 14. To substitute your answer into the original equation to check it. If both sides are equal, your solution is correct. Remember to subscribe for more step-by-step math lessons. Bye!